Hey folks, Alan Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here. This week's video is coming to you from South Burlington, Vermont at RothSpeed Chassis. We're going to go ahead and check out some of the custom chassis that they're building here, some of the equipment and the project they have going on, so you can see what it's like to be in the high-end custom chassis shop. Let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Scott Roth and you're at RothSpeed Chassis. We manufacture chassis, custom bodies. This is one of our projects right here. It's a 60 four-door Ford that we've stuffed a 6.7 Powerstroke into. It's a little bit unique because the engine is down below the hood and still has ground clearance. We're running a Duramax inspired kind of suspension. So it's got some different angles to it. We've got a lot of anti-dive into it. This truck will be seeing a lot of autocross use. It'll be out at SEMA next year to be unveiled at Battle of the Builders. We had a lot of problems trying to get a steering setup to work. So we ended up going with a Dodge steering rack. The Duramax would have had a steering box, so it's a lot different. So it took a lot of design time to get all the bump steer correct in this. So mainly what we do are chassis that are a little bit different than what's out there. A lot of work goes into them, a lot of TIG welding. Our frame rails are pretty unique. We actually take 4 pieces. They all get welded into one box. Before they do, we have an X member that goes in. So we call that the square X frame rail. We've experienced a lot in the past. Other manufacturers, other chassis, stock chassis, they always have a lot of flex and twist to them. So by manufacturing this frame rail, we've actually taken out all the twist in the chassis. Much more stiffer platform, great for autocross, road racing, or just having fun. We've changed the center rail. That has like a pretty unique design to it, a lot more strength. So in general, our chassis they end up being a lot stronger. Probably a little heavier than some of the other ones out there. We weigh in a little over 700 pounds on a chassis with suspension, coilovers, rear end, no wheels and tires. So that's about what we weigh at right now. They will be going under the new split ray, which is coming out in the spring. Complete carbon fiber body with carbon Kevlar reinforcements. It's an aluminum infused epoxy resin. Goes through 2 autoclave processes. It's probably one of the more unique carbon bodies going to be on the market. So we'll be building several of those starting in the spring. So we also have our line of Mustang chassis from 65 to 70. It's a very aggressive pro touring race inspired chassis. The way they work is we get your car, you cut the floor out of it, and we'll slide it down over the chassis, and then it actually all gets welded in to the chassis to make one unit. Super strong, not too heavy, but you gain that on the rigidity and the way it handles and performs. Pretty much stuff any engine into them. Coyote, the new Voodoo engine, the flat crank, which is pretty cool. So we've done a lot of different stuff with those. Other projects coming up is a 71 CUDA. We're doing an all-wheel drive platform on that. It's an in-house design. Should be very interesting. It's going to be powered by a Hellcat. That will be unveiled, I think, about 2 years at Battle of Builders, so it's pretty far out right now. We have a 65 Impala coming up with a full RothSpeed chassis, independent rear, new LT4 from Lingenfelter, 8-speed transmission. Pretty wild stuff.
Thank you very much to the folks at RothSpeed for having us here today. You can check out their website and their Instagram page, check out some of what's going on around here as it's happening. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these projects? What do you think of these chassis, this equipment, this shop? Go ahead and let me know what you're thinking. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.